Well, hello everybody. I had a good nail mail day, so I thought I would show these. Now, these were from the D-Stash group, so they were $5 sets, coming in hot. Shall see ya later. Get in line. And now these are by no means hard to find, but $5 versus $13, I'll take it. Floral obligation. And these were $10. Palm Before the Storm. I was down to just a few of those, so that's why I got them. And then 2 Bad Bloods. And those were 10, which is fine. I'll take it. And then a Sakura and a Rose. And these were 18 for the 2. You bought in a little bundle. But I've been wanting a Sakura, which is one, you guys, I've had a million chances to buy it, and I've never bought it because I did not have a plan in mind for it. But now I do, so here it is. Which only goes to show, just get one of everything. Okay, so look here. I put Sahara over that deep diving. How pretty is that? Got rid of my matte nail and put it on. And then I wanted to talk real quick about PayPal. When you use PayPal with most of the nail ladies, they're going to ask you to do friends and family. And the reason they're doing that versus goods and services is because they get charged a fee for goods and services. But I will say that any that I've ran into will do goods and services if you're willing to pay the fee. So if you want to do goods and services where it's an insured thing, you just got to know that you're going to wind up paying, $3 to $5 more so that they don't have to pay the fees on it. Because otherwise, when people pay you PayPal goods and services instead of friends and family, it just winds up costing us money, the person getting it. And I say that because I've done a lot of PayPal stuff. Not, nails, but just PayPal stuff in general. But I just thought it'd be something good to put out there because I know people get confused by it. And it's not because somebody's trying to scam you. It's because goods and service, PayPal is not a free service as much as they like to say it's a free service. It's not free to the person receiving money by any means. Even just to take the money out of their account and transfer it to their bank account is something PayPal charges us for. So just thought I would throw that out there. Look how beautiful that is. Sahara over deep diving. Yeah, I love them. All right, ladies. These still have a day or two to go. And I love them, but dang it, I'm antsy to do a new set. I just thought I'd share my nail mail and what I did here to fix up that sweater finger that I didn't like. So have a great day. See you guys soon.